Hello, today I'm going to grab this nice photo and use different online platforms for editing images to apply some simple adjustments, some simple edits to this photo. This one is Fotor. The second one will be Adobe Express, which looks like this today. And the third one will be Photopea, which is similar to Photoshop. It looks like online Photoshop and it's absolutely free. Okay, great, let's get started. I'm going back to my desktop, and first of all, let me show you how to get the photo. I'm going to Unsplash.com. Let's download an image from this great resource called Unsplash.com. It is a great collection of high-quality images that you can use for personal projects and even for commercial purposes. If you wish to publish one of those, it is recommended to mention the author of the photo. Let's pick up this wonderful image. I'm clicking on Download Free. It says Save Thanks. Okay, we're saying thanks to Alvani. Okay, great. The image has to be downloaded on my desktop. And now I'm going to the #1 photo editing service, and it is called Fotor.com. I like it personally more than other options. Let's click on Upload a photo first and select an image from my desktop. And we see the uploading process. Okay, we are good to go. Now I have to click on Edit Photo button over here. And what a beautiful interface we have here. On the left side we have all the tools. In the middle of the screen we have a photo. Let's apply 3 effects. The first one would be crop. We are picking up the square 1 by 1 proportions, and all you have to do is just place the visible part to the square. Let's crop it in this way. I'm clicking Apply button. And now let's change the size of the image. I would like to put 1000 by 1000. Again, we are clicking Apply. And now the image has been decreased in size. Okay, and we are going to basic adjust and changing this parameter called saturation all the way down, which makes the picture black and white. And now we can play a little bit with brightness and sharpness, actually very nice tools as well. So as you can see, we could, and now we can download the image, yeah. So we could apply all 3 changes. I personally recommend you to pick up JPEG. It's going to be a good quality, and yeah, the quality is medium for me should be enough. And as easy as that, I could download the image and use it for any of my personal projects. Okay, let's try the next one. It is called Adobe Express, easy to find. And this one is even easier to start because you don't even have to log in here. For Fotor you have to log in, but you can use your Google account and do it in one click. This one you don't even have to log in, you just scroll down a little bit and there is a button here, Start from Scratch. That's it, Create Now. And it lets you in. Okay, let's see what do we have here. Here is the interface we have. Here, this button actually we don't need to use. We can try dragging and dropping, and it works. Let's give it some time. Yeah, the image is here. Let's now fully match the canvas and image sizes. When you change its size, it changes proportionally, which is cool. And now, to crop the image, we want it to be square. I have to click on the image and then go to this crop panel. Okay, don't forget to click on the image you wish to crop. That's important, otherwise you won't be able, I think, to find this feature. I think that the interface of Fotor of the previous editing platform was more intuitive. But this one is okay as well. Now I have to match it again. And here we are. The problem with changing the image size here is that you have to pay for it. You have to buy the plan. But to make it to desaturate, I need to go to Adjustments panel on the left side, and again we have here a saturation feature. We can play with the warmth as well, with shadows, highlights. Very nice, actually. Tools. I think it's better to set up the warmth back to 0. Yeah. And you don't have to click apply here, you can just go to some other place. Okay, resizing, if you click on it, you see that there are many options here for different social media. You can resize your image, but we are downloading right now, and here we are selecting the format, JPEG I would recommend, and here we go. The result is on my desktop. Great. And let's move on to the third free photo editing platform. It is called Photopea, and it's pretty easy to use. There's drop any files here field. Let's wait for a while. Great, we have our puppy dog photo in Photopea. Now I'm using this crop tool on the left side, and how it works. Oh, actually there should be a preset. Yeah, if I click on this drop down menu, there is a fixed radius 1:1, and by default when you change its size, it respects the aspect ratio. So I can easily crop the image. Okay, cool. Now let's see, will I be able to make it black and white and resize it to 1000 by 1000 pixels. Okay, yeah, I'm going to image size, and it's pretty much like in Photoshop. Type in the numbers and click OK. Okay, let's try to make the image black and white. And to do it, we need this hue saturation option on the bottom right corner, and we just click. It creates a separate layer, and here we move this saturation handle all the way down, and also we can add this levels feature to play a little bit with the background, with the atmosphere of the photo. And yeah, the rest is just very simple. Export as JPEG. We see the size, quality is fine, 70%, and we can just click save here. Okay, great. So we have 3 results on the desktop, and which means that all 3 platforms can help you with this simple adjustments, changes, and we can now compare the results. This one is Fotor. This one is Adobe and it's a bit bigger because we couldn't change the image size, and this one is Photopea. Okay, let's have a look again. Again, Fotor, Adobe, I'm going to change, and Photopea. Cool. Okay, great. We have magic tools around and there are a total of 3. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. In order not to miss it, please subscribe and good luck!